Hi everyone, my name is Norman. I run the blog nimbleneedles.com, and today I want to show you how to knit the ZigZag Rib Stitch. The ZigZag Rib Stitch is a beautiful variation of the classic rib stitch. This knitting pattern is not reversible, but results in a very structured fabric with this beautiful 3D effect. It's a bit more difficult to knit, but I'm pretty sure that anyone who knows how to do the knit stitch and the purl stitch will be able to learn it. So let's dive right into it. Let's take a look at the repeat of the ZigZag Rib Stitch first before I show you how to knit it step by step. The basic idea behind the ZigZag Rib Stitch is that you knit the stitches in a different order. You have to cast on multiples of 3. Row number 1 is purl 1, and then you knit the second stitch but into the back loop. Then you knit the first stitch and then you drop them both, and then you purl 1 over and over again. And the second row is almost exactly the other way around. You start by knitting 1, then you purl into the second stitch, purl the first stitch, drop them both and knit 1. So let's knit a couple of stitches together. Start by purling 1 stitch. Now normally you would continue knitting this stitch, but we will continue knitting in this stitch, and we are going to do it through the back loop. So insert your needle into the back loop of that stitch and knit it through the back loop like this, and then you knit into the first stitch, and then you can drop these 2 stitches of your needle and then purl 1. I know this is a bit more difficult, so we'll do it one more time. So insert your needle into the back loop of the second stitch, knit it through the back loop, knit the first stitch, drop both stitches, purl 1. One last time, knit into the back loop of the second stitch, knit into the first stitch, drop both stitches, purl 1. And that's the repeat for the right side. On the wrong side, the repeat is a tiny bit easier. So you start by knitting 1 stitch, and then you purl into the second stitch, just a regular purl, no purl through the back loop on the wrong side. And then you purl 1 stitch and you drop them both, knit 1. Let's do it one more time. So purl 1 stitch, purl this first stitch, drop them both, knit 1. Purl the second stitch, purl the first stitch, drop them both and knit 1. And that's the repeat for the wrong side. So that was how you knit the right side and the wrong side, and if you repeat those 2 rows over and over again, you get this beautiful pattern. If you want to knit the ZigZag Rib Stitch in the round, you only have to repeat the first row over and over again. I think this is actually a smart idea because it's, as I said, not reversible. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit the ZigZag Rib Stitch. I really hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. Please give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment with your questions and your feedback. And of course, consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.